Hey guys, what's up? Today I want to introduce you to WAMP Server, a powerful tool that simplifies web development on Windows. WAMP stands for Windows, Apache, MySQL and PHP, Python or Perl. They are the essential components for building dynamic websites and applications. WAMP is commonly used in the web development environment running in Windows. So before diving into a web development, you need some key components like a server that will host your website, a database where you store the data, and you need a scripting language like PHP, Python or other. And WAMP server provides you with these four basic things that is crucial for testing and developing dynamic web pages. In a WAMP server, W stands for Windows. The beginners or developers that prefer Windows operating system for developing websites, they can use WAMP server. So WAMP server is designed for developers and beginners who want to develop their website using a Windows operating system. And A stands for Apache. Apache is a server that will host your website. It makes you able to pre-test your website and make necessary changes that will make your website more attractive and user-friendly. M stands for MySQL. MySQL is a database that you can use to store the information of your users, logins, inputs, outputs and all of things. And MySQL is a very simple relational database management system that helps you to create and manage databases of your web applications. P stands for PHP, Python or Perl. WAMP server provides you three options: PHP, Python or Perl. That is a scripting language that helps to make your website more responsive and functional. So you can use this to create a dynamic and interactive web pages of your own that will enhance the functionality and responsiveness of your projects. So why to use WAMP server? So WAMP server provides you a local development. That means you can set up a local server on your Windows machine, allowing you to develop and test web applications before deploying them to a live server. It helps for easy configuration. WAMP simplifies the configuration of Apache, MySQL, PHP, providing a straightforward way to manage a server environment. So after you have known this, you can get started with WAMP server. Firstly, you have to download the WAMP server by going to the official website of WAMP. Install the WAMP server installer in your Windows machine. So first of all, open any web browser. I am using Brave. You can open Chrome web browser also. Now you can search WAMP server download. So you can see here there are different websites. So go on official WAMP server websites. You can see here wampserver.com. Click on this website. Now you go to our official WAMP server website. Scroll down and you can see here WAMP server 64 bits, WAMP server 32 bits. So based on your operating system, whether it is 32-bit operating system or 64-bit, you can click on these two options. In my case, I have 64-bit operating system, so I will click on this WAMP server 64-bit. So as you can see here, before downloading, you are asked to fill this form. So you can download directly by clicking here. You can download it directly. Just click in this link and you go here and your downloading will start soon. So you can choose the path where you want to download WAMP server. So you can see here download started already. Let's wait for it to download. So you can see here WAMP server is downloaded. Now to install it, I will just double click on it. Okay, accept the agreement. Next, and click on next. So you can see here, if this problem arises in your system, just click on this link and download the Visual C++ packages. Then again try to install it and then you will be able to install it. So in my case, I have already downloaded and I have already installed it. So now I will take you to the WAMP server environment. So when you double click on it, click on yes. Now you can see here WAMP server 64-bit, all services running. Now the WAMP server is running in the background in your system. Now to access that, click on the hidden icon in the bottom right corner of your taskbar, and you can see here green WAMP server icon. Click on this green WAMP server icon and you can see the all options. You can click on these options and start your coding. You can click on the options and start your coding. So if you want only to practice database MySQL, then just click on this and you can click on MySQL console and you can practice MySQL database only. Now after you set up WAMP server, you can start coding. So everything you need for web development is on your system only, so you can just no worries, you can start your coding. So how you like this video? If you like it, then give it a thumbs up. And if you are not able to solve the problem in installation, if you are not able to download Visual C++ packages, you can comment. I will make a video how to solve that issue as well. That's it for today. Thank you so much.